Hi guys, David Wynn here. Just want to give you guys some quick tips for the day, just a quick motivation for you on your entrepreneurial journey. So when I started my entrepreneurial journey, I didn't really have people that taught me where to get started. So, I started looking online, so I'm gonna be the same for you guys in my channel, right? So if you guys didn't already know, I'm an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, and entrepreneur. I'm over here in Canada, and I'm just here to help people kind of get their mind right and get them started and giving them some tools, hopefully, so that they can get started on their own journey, right? I've been able to make thousands online with entrepreneurship, and I'm still learning. I can barely speak today, entrepreneurship, and just looking to help people, that may need support or had a little push so they can get started on their journey, right? So a couple tips I want to make for you guys today. If you want to get started in online business or affiliate marketing in particular, what you want to do is you want to find a way to produce content, right? So personally, I think getting out of your comfort zone and being able to pick up a phone just like I'm doing right now and start recording a video is key. Because even if you're not comfortable, it gives you this new skill set, whether you're perfect on camera or not. I'm definitely not perfect on camera, but it gives you the ability to raise your level and get experience in being no longer camera shy, right? So my piece of advice is start producing content. Video is probably best because YouTube, for example, helps you with something called SEO, search engine optimization. So if you find a key topic that you want to talk about, if you put in the title, you say it in your video, and you put in your description, that's going to help shoot you up on the SEO, search engine optimization, and you automatically get a boost on Google. So your video might actually pop up on Google before all these other people that are paying all these experts of SEO to get on the first page. You may show up on the first page without doing any of that. So that's kind of a trick there with YouTube. But if you're not comfortable in video, or you're just still starting to learn and you want to get yourself some more content out there, try things like blogging, right? If you're more behind the scenes, don't want to get your face out there, you could try a blog where you just type something and give your opinions on a particular subject or topic, and then people can find it. Once again, that's going to be on searchable on Google and things like that. So that will help you get found. And those are two different channels. Another channel would be a podcast or something like that, right? One really good place to search for a podcast is just go to the App Store and search for free podcasts. And then there's a bunch of different apps that allow you to start your own podcast for free, right? You don't actually have to pay. And then you can go to all these different avenues like Apple, Google, Spotify, and get yourself out there and start getting a name for yourself, right? But I do recommend YouTube because it's gonna get you out of your comfort zone, and it helps you cheat a little bit with the SEO. Get your video out there, it automatically goes to Google, right? So that's step one, produce content. Step number two, find products that you value and that help people's lives, okay? So you want to choose a particular niche or niches. You don't have to just focus on one, but start with at least one niche, narrow down, and then find products and test trial these products so that you can discuss them, so you can talk about them. I recently did a video on cryptocurrency, how to get started on cryptocurrency in Canada. You can talk about health, wellness. The key things that people really like to talk about and need help with for you to find them a solution is, usually health, wealth, and relationships, okay? So people want to make more money. That some people, that makes them happy. It gives them a life of freedom. And then they want to be happy as well. So, whatever they find, makes them happy is going to be things like their health, right? If they're, fitness, if they're fit, it may actually help them with the relationships as well. So some people may be struggling in their marriage or sex life or whatever, their love life or whatever. Then you can choose that as a niche. Maybe you're an expert at counseling or relationships or whatever. Point being, you pick one of these niches then you find a product that you believe in that you find is valuable, then you can do review videos like this, or you can do a blog post about it. And the whole goal in this thing is so you actually understand the product and kind of give people a bird's eye view of what this product represents and how it may help them solve a problem for them. So you're basically giving them the solution even though it's not your product, and then you're gonna get paid a commission because you're gonna find a product that you become an affiliate for this product, right? So since you're an affiliate for this product, for example, someone wants to learn how to buy cryptocurrency in the United States. Then they find your video, you give them a link to get them signed up, and then you get a little bit of a commission, a little bit of a bonus, right? Same thing with a weight loss product. So they're looking to lose weight, they're starting keto, they don't know where to go. That's why they're finding your video, that's why they're finding your blog and Googling this stuff so that they can get a second opinion on it, right? And then when they find you, then once you build trust with people, they're gonna buy under your affiliate link as a thank you for producing great content that helped them, right? Because you're being genuine, you're being real. So step one, produce content, right? Videos, please. If your channel currently says 1 follower or 0 subscribers, get your channel going. Right now, I'm a little bit geared up, focused on building my channel so that I can get more subscribers, a little bit more focused, to get a little bit more serious. So appreciate you guys liking below and subscribing, hitting the button to subscribe to my channel and hitting the notification bell as well. I do appreciate you. And if you want more content like this, please let me know. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. So step one, like I said, produce content. Step two, find a product and choose a niche that you can represent and get an affiliate link for it, okay? Step number 3, you gotta have time to invest in this thing. So book half an hour to an hour a day so that you can do the research, learn, educate yourself on new products, and then hopefully upload content within that time frame. So reserve, I don't care how busy you are, 9 to 5, 20, you're working pretty much all day, every day. You gotta find an hour, before your day starts or an hour before your day ends. Everyone could be asleep. That might be the perfect time so that you don't get disrupted and stuff like that. You have your own personal time. But yeah, dedicate and schedule at least 1 hour or half an hour, possibly 2 hours if you have more time. And put the Netflix away, put the video games away for a bit, and focus on your business, okay? Your affiliate marketing business, your personal branding business. Then eventually you add enough value, people are gonna wanna buy from you, then they're gonna ask you how you can help them in their business personally, and then you can actually do some consulting stuff. So if you guys are looking at learning more about affiliate marketing, comment below. I'm actually doing some consulting as well now. I have a couple consulting tier packages. If you're interested in learning how to build your brand, make money online, make anywhere between $50 to $500 a sale or more online passively, then let me know because I want to help you guys, okay? Appreciate you guys, love you guys, and hopefully this was helpful, and have a blessed, beautiful day. This is David Wynn, August University, and I'll talk to you guys soon.